Shruti TS from ACS to Anushakti Nagar. I was really delighted to when I came to know that I was one of the Mumbai toppers, and I would like to thank UT for my success. The test series of UT was really helpful. I got to know about my weak areas and improve more on that. And the regular feedback I got, it proved to be very useful. And the question paper which the UT test series, it was very focused and in accordance with the latest pattern of CBSE.
I'm the proud father of Shruti, who is one of the toppers in the CBSE board exams in Mumbai. I thank UT for its excellent coaching and its meticulous evaluation. So without which she could not achieve this success at board exams.
Do you realize the magnanimity of this result? Do you realize?
Yeah,
that?
actually I came to know just now how big it is an achievement.
Yeah, I would just say that it's big an achievement that about 12 years of my career, nobody has scored 492. So you are one of the very few ones who scored 492 on 500. That's how big it is.
Good evening, I am Sudipto Mitra from APJ School, Nerul. Day before yesterday, when I came to know about my result, I was absolutely elated. When I came to know from UT that I was one of the two joint toppers of Mumbai region with 98.4%, that was just the icing on the cake completely. I would like to thank UT for fulfilling my dream in such a grand manner. I can't even think of it that this has really happened with me. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my school and my school teachers who have gave extreme effort of theirs day in and day out with my studies, without whom I would never have become eligible for such a good result. I would also like to thank UT for their test series package, because of which I was able to brush my weak areas in through the weekly tests, board pattern tests and board pattern checking, which really helped me. Adding to that, the doubt solving sessions were of extremely high use to me. Last but not the least, I will definitely like to thank my parents who are also present here, because of their able guidance and support throughout the year. In fact, throughout the last many years I have been in school. Thank you to my parents, and I promise you that I will also continue this good result throughout my life. Finally, I just need good wishes and blessings from all, so that I can continue this throughout my life. Thank you.
I'm Sudipto's father. Indeed, it's a very proud occasion for us parents to see that our children have done so well. And I would like to give the complete credit to my son. Sudipto has always been self-driven. He is very focused in his studies. He does not need to be followed up. He knows what needs to be done, and then he does it in the very focused and sincere manner. I only wish that this good beginning what he has made in his life continues, and I hope that with the blessings and good wishes of you all, he will be able to continue the good performance in his life, and he will do even better. I would like to take this opportunity to thank UT for the valuable inputs which they have given to Sudipto during the test series, which has really given him some insights into his weak areas, which he could brush up and do even better. Thank you.
Any event at Universal Tutorials which you remember and you would like to tell us about it, or anything which you have something unique in mind about Universal?
And I recollected some memory of a doubt solving session when I came. It was really good. I came with my mother, and that's an interesting thing that I don't even remember the name of that teacher. I came to ask a doubt in English paper, and he told me that how toppers write the paper, how they give space between the questions and how to present the question. It was a very good help, but now to think the irony that I am myself a topper is excellent.
APJ Abdul Kalam has once said that you need to dream before the dreams come true. So I had a dream and I'm very glad that it has turned into a reality. Thank you.
Even I suggest you that you should have the 3 Ds in your life. D for determination, D for desire, and D for discipline. If you have all these 3 Ds in your life, then no one can stop you from succeeding in your life.
UT as individually I prize a lot because they take individual attention for each and every student. And even though I had many choice at the beginning to send my son for many tuition classes, but I chosen UT because it has got a lot of things to say from my neighbors and from the papers which I read.
No one is born intelligent. If we do hard work and overcome these difficulties, he will be a successful man one day.